Hello students, welcome back in moral science class. Children, today we will do activities for evaluation. Page number 46 and 47. There are 3 activities in your syllabus. First activity, do you love yourself? Do you like your talents and powers? Write what you like most of yourself. Always remember you are special. So children, on the basis of these lines, you will write down your talents. Which talents you have, which powers you have, and what do you like most in yourself. That you will write down in these boxes. You may write these also. I like reading books. I like to sing songs. I like to travel to new places. I like to play outdoor games. I like to cook. I like to collect stamps. Okay, so one question is also written there, that write a few of your talents. So all these talents you may write. You can write some of the talents according to yourself. Fine. And this is one of the question. Do you love yourself? You will write yes, I love myself. Next question is also there. Do you like your talents and powers? Yes, I like my talents and powers. This is first activity based on the love and love yourself, self-awareness, self-appreciation. And next activity 2, how are these pictures related to love? Also explain what message you get from them. This is related to love. Now let's study here. A true friend is like a faithful brother or sister. Yes children, if you are having the true friend, then he will be like your faithful brother or sister. Like they will never do you, same way your friend also will never deceive you, and he will behave like a faithful brother or sister. In the next picture, play, learn and grow together. Yes, this is also about the friends, that as you know, the friends, they play together, learn together and they grow together. So in the first picture, in this picture, love is shown in the form of friendship. Yes, in the form of friendship the love is shown. And in the second picture, love is shown in the form of teamwork or togetherness. Yes, as you know, they are saying that they play, learn and grow all together. So this is the form of teamwork and togetherness. The message what we get from this chapter, from this activity, have good friends. And from the second picture, unity is strength. The both pictures will give different messages are written under below the pictures. You may note down. Here is one question. What does love teach us? Answer. Love makes us feel good for others and also forgive the mistakes of others. Children, you will learn these question answers. Next, activity 3. This is right thinking, problem solving. Here is a game for you. The aim of the game is to move the wolf. See the picture carefully and just listen. Sheep and cabbage to the opposite shore. Remember that when the man is not around, the wolf will eat the sheep. Moreover, the sheep will also do the same when alone with the poor little cabbage. Now what will be happen? Firstly, the man will take the sheep to the opposite shore. Then he will leave the wolf and bring back to the sheep. Next he will leave the cabbage, and at last he will take the sheep to the opposite shore. These were your activities, and the question answers you will learn these in the fill up form also you may learn, and in the true false also. Okay children, take care of yourself. Goodbye.